Okay, we've got one of those fun kitty toys with a stick and I see string things. Yeah. Oh, they've all pounced on it. No, I can't move it. Oh, kitties. Ah, Ceylon's looking out. Okay, here we go. Here's Jasmine's turn. Oh, yes, Jasmine's a wildcat. Oh, Ceylon jumped up. Ah, there's Chai. They're all climbing on the cat crate to get it. Yeah. It's fun. Uh-oh, somebody's left out. Earl and Oolong are way down here on the floor. Oh, there's Oolong. Oolong's got it now. Yep, Earl's got a little strand. Oh, they're so big, tough kitties. Yeah, big, tough kitties.